Little girl, whatever you do, don't talk and don't open your eyes. Just listen to my voice. Listen for the birds. When we get to the cave, one of us will have to look. No, I won't make you look. Nobody will look. But we've got to get out of here, 'cause there's no birds in a cave. I know you're cold. We're almost there. Good thing we found this car. We can drive the rest of the way, even though we can't see. We made it. Do you hear the birds? We made it all the way through the forest, all the way through the snow. We drove a car and ended up here on the top of the mountain, safe, blindfolded. Now we can look. Everything the light touches is our kingdom.